Welcome back to my channel. English and Early Learning with Sadia. Today's term. Brisk, brisk, brisk. Meaning: quick and active, lively or energetic. Sentence: she took a brisk walk in the morning to stay healthy. Comment: use this word in your own sentence and comment me. Speak smarter. Idiom: spice things up. Meaning: to make something more exciting, interesting, or lively. Sentence: to spice things up in the classroom, the teacher used games and fun activities. Question: could spice things up apply to other situations besides a classroom? Comment an example. Keep connected for more vocabulary updates. Till then, goodbye. Must like, share and subscribe.